Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and S4HANA tutorials. So now let's get into today's video. Today we have come up with one of the good job role from Tech Mahindra. As you can see the title here, they're hiring it for international voice process at Hyderabad location, and this has been posted 3 days ago, so just apply it as soon as possible before it expires. And coming to job details, freshers with excellent communication skills can apply this job, and also people who are having around 1 to 2 years experience can also apply this, and they're hiring it for 50 vacancies, so which is a very good number. And although they have given multiple locations here like Kolkata, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Bangalore and Delhi, in the title you can see they have mentioned they are hiring it for Hyderabad location, but might be based on your location request they might change your location. And when it comes to salary, it is around 3.5 to 4 lakh per annum they are offering, which is a very good package for this role, because earlier they were offering around 2 to 3 lakhs for this role, but whereas now they are hiring it for 3.5 to 4 lakh per annum, which is a very good package for this role. And key skills: inbound process, communication skills, customer service, technical support, customer handling, international voice process and international BPO. So if your skill set is matching with any of these skills, just apply it right now. Although here they have given these many key skills, again all these come under communication skills, like you should be brilliant and good at what you speak, so that is what they obviously test. And coming to job description, you should be able to resolve all the queries from business customers with your good speaking skills. That might be through chats or emails or calls, so even a chat and email support has to be provided from your end if required. And so obviously you need a good verbal and writing communication skills for this to manage all the customers you have. So job eligibility, they have given here like education, undergraduate or any graduate can apply. You should have excellent voice communication skills and you can join immediately once you are hired. It's a 5 days working per week, but it can be a rotational shift. So even though it is a rotational shift or night shift, you need not worry, because transportation will be provided from both the ends. It will be work from office. So candidates, they're having around 1 year work experience in international voice process, that will be an added advantage. Even if you're not having this experience, you need not worry, because even freshers are eligible if you are attempting this interview with excellent communication skills. And location is Hyderabad. Also, if you are interested in this job, you can share your resume to this ID pt00739925@techmahindra.com, or you can WhatsApp that person to the number given here. So because they mention like references are highly appreciated, so if you are taking this person reference, the chance of accepting your application would be more. So just WhatsApp or mail him or her, so that your resume will be shortlisted. And your role will be customer success associate, and role categories customer success. It's a permanent and full-time job from Tech Mahindra. So this is a very quick information about this role, and if you are matching up with this eligibility criteria and if you are not interested in any coding job, so just apply it right now, because it's a very good package they are offering for this role, which is 3.5 to 4. And you can also refer to other coding and non-coding jobs in our channel, so just check it now. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.